Hello, my name is Mary Jewett, and I'm going to be talking about phrasal verbs today. I've been teaching for about 3 years, and I find that this is one of the most difficult things for ESL students to understand. So, let's get started here. Okay, so phrasal verbs. Right? Phrasal verbs mean that they come in a phrase, so it is 2 or 3 words to create this verb. So for example, we could say I wake up at 6:30 for work every day, right? Wake up is a phrasal verb using 2 words. We also have the student came up with a good topic. Came up with 3 words makes the phrasal verb. Okay. Now, the thing that can be very complicated about phrasal verbs is that we have 2 types, and in one of those types we have 2 more types. So you have intransitive verbs, which means that there is no direct object, like wake up. You see no direct object after you use it, just like in this example. Okay. You can also use some like come over or go off. Right? The fireworks go off on the 4th of July. Okay. Or you can come over anytime. Right? So those do not take direct objects, meaning they are intransitive. Okay? Now, transitive verbs do take an object. Yeah. So for example, we have fill out, check out, cut down on. Okay? So please fill out the form. That means to complete the form. And the sentence would not make sense without the direct object, the form. Okay? Let's see. Another example we could use is check out. Yes? So I'm going to check out a book from the library. Now, if I use that, I have to have a direct object, a book. Cut down on is another one that needs to have a direct object. So I could say I need to cut down on sugar. Yeah? So sugar would be our direct object. If I don't have that direct object, then it does not make sense. So these are our 2 types. Now, after that, included in the transitives, we also have 2 types. We have separable and inseparable. Now, separable means that you can put the direct object in the middle. Okay? So here we have Mom said to turn off the television. Here we also have Mom said to turn the television off. So in these examples, you can put the direct object in the middle. Now with inseparable, they cannot be separated. So you would say, I'll look after your cat for you. I'll look your cat after for you. This one on the bottom here does not make sense. You cannot separate this phrasal verb. One important thing to remember here is that with the separable, right, if you decide to use a pronoun, right, it or he, most of the time you see it, right, then you have to put the pronoun in the middle. When you have the specific object, just like here with the television, you can put it in either place. But if we look at this example again, Mom said to turn it off. That is the correct version because we're using the pronoun it. We cannot say Mom said to turn off it. That is not correct. Whenever we use the pronoun, it needs to go in the middle of the separable phrasal verb. And that is the lesson for today. Thank you very much.